Hello everyone, it's Ty from DR Property Guys, accompanied as always.
Good afternoon, hope you're well.
The Silver Fox himself. Today we are doing a bit of a fun video. This is our video number 300.
300 videos, wow.
This is the 300th video we have put out on YouTube. So we thought we'd make something fun. We're going to talk a little bit about our experience, written down some questions, and then we're going to go in to our top 3 each videos.
Gonna have a little review, aren't we?
Do a little review, take the mickey out of one another as we normally do. But let's get to the serious part first. 300 videos. I've written these notes down here.
Yeah, well done. I have to say, Ty, you know, he's a technical man, so well done, mate.
Well, I'm 300 videos in and I still don't know how to use a camera. I'll be honest with you. I learned the editing software pretty good, but I don't know how to use a camera. Don't ask me what aperture means, what none of that business is, because I don't know.
What does aperture mean?
Something to do with the speed of the lens or something like that. Yeah. So now, I mean, I won't say we're famous, but we are kind of YouTube famous. We do get recognized a little bit. We could be in a supermarket, we could be in a pharmacy, in a gas station, whatever, and we get people coming up to us and saying hello.
It's funny, the power of YouTube.
It has gotten us out there.
But it's nice, you know. It's nice to meet people and say hello, and it's nice to know that content is being watched as well. You know.
So, what's been your favourite comment by someone that's recognised you off of YouTube?
Favourite comment? I don't think I've got one, mate. It's not like
you have. I've been in the supermarket. People have come up to me and been like, "Oh,
I've seen you on YouTube."
But here's what they do with me. They go, "Oh, it's Tay from DR Property Guys. We watch all your videos." Well, if you watch all my videos, my name is not Tay, it's Ty, and I say it on every video. But thanks for recognising me anyway. My least favourite comments are from people when they come up to you and say, "Oh, you're the guys from DR Property Guys, we love your videos." And we bought a house from somebody else. Absolutely don't like that, but at least you're coming up and saying
well,
hello.
it happens, doesn't it? It happens.
It does happen. I wonder.
But don't let it happen again.
Yeah, don't. I wonder actually how many houses have sold through our videos and we've not been made aware of it. I'm sure.
Well, we think a few, you know, where the videos kind of come out and the house sold a couple of weeks later, and not through us, but you know, it is what it is, isn't it?
It's part of the game. It's part of the game.
It is.
So let's do this now. Let's jump in, and I've got your first video. So I'm actually going to switch between the camera and a screen recording. And I asked Phil last night to send us his top 3 selection, and this was video number 1, believe it or not. Just going to take 2 seconds.
It's not that it's number 1.
It was your first of the 3 favourite videos.
Yeah, because it was one of the first videos that we did.
It was the first one.
Yeah. So
we didn't even have uniforms back then.
A little bit green.
A friend of ours' house. It sold, I think, about a year and a half. No, within the year it sold, didn't it?
But we were enthusiastic.
We
were still enthusiastic, but yeah, very green.
Not as good quality, but I like the fact that we started here and we've come up certainly quite a bit. You see the wobble on the camera there.
There's a nice half bathroom here.
But we've got the whole filming thing down to a science now, I think. Nice home. It sold.
It did sell, didn't it?
And I think the buyers put a lot of money into it. Probably more than they should.
They put a fortune into it, yeah. And turned it into a party villa.
There's you lying on the bed. Look at this.
There's a shot of me here. I look like
cheeky.
A psychopath.
Look at this guy. He looks right cheeky. There he is.
No,
in the man's bed.
Before that.
Let's show you a really
You don't look much far off a psycho there, to be honest, do you?
No, but there's one that's I look at it, I'm like, jeez.
Perfect for if the mother-in-law pays you a visit.
Well,
bedroom, bathroom, pub.
That's video number 1. What did we do for outros back in the day? Just something like. Let's see if we can get that.
Can be yours for just $295,000.
That's when we used to still put the
You put the price.
prices in the video, but we found out that we can't do
Prices
that
change.
because prices change, and I'm not going to go in and edit a video after I spent 6 hours on it. So that was Phil's first selection. What was mine? All right, here we go. This was actually one of my favourites. One of my favourite properties ever.
Beautiful home, eh?
We're going to have to cut the audio off on this because it is a copyrighted track, but look at Phil sat there again.
Yeah, doing nothing.
Right on the guy's terrace as we fly away with the drone. That was a lovely home. Good morning, it's Ty from DR Property Guys, and today Anyway, my favourite part about this video was right at the end where they literally had one of the most beautiful bars.
Yeah, well, that you could spend hours in that bar, couldn't you? It's just that huge tree.
And that there is orange juice, by the way.
It was
wasn't
like
alcohol.
lemonade. It was really
Yeah.
tasty.
We kind of got addicted to those.
Very
for a minute.
refreshing, wasn't it?
That property also sold. We didn't sell it either. Your second suggestion was this here. The visit to... oh, the quality on this is awful.
Well, this is with the old drone before it got crashed into the sea.
Yeah. What happened there?
It crashed into the sea.
Sure it did.
Despite warnings that it might do, they were ignored.
But this was at Tubagua Eco Lodge.
Yeah. And it's just such a beautiful place, and anyone that's never been there, I'd highly recommend that you go, you know, for a long weekend or just, you know, overnight. And the owner's such a character, and he's a bit of a Dominican Republic legend, Tim. He's not been very well, but he's doing okay, because I just heard from him.
We send him our best. Yeah,
Get well soon, Tim.
All right, we'll show two. Let's have a look at this one, because this is... Well, this was a nice long video. It was 54 minutes.
What's funny here is because we went with 2 bottles of wine. We got through 1 bottle of wine, and then, you know, it all started off very serious. And then into the second bottle of wine. Tim's fun side starts to come out.
It was a fun day, that one. It was.
Yeah.
Right, my second selection was this one. I guess, can we say his name now? Well,
yeah,
well,
another...
maybe we won't say his name, but the guy that it was built 25 years ago, this home.
Yeah.
Or 24, 23 years ago at the time we did the video. Amazing home. The guy put over $1 million into the place.
And sold it for $500,000.
$500,000 it was.
This
on
was sale of the century, this property.
But I really enjoyed this video because it was a property that you could really get creative with. And I remember I didn't finish editing this video that same day until 2 o'clock in the morning. And I must have had more than 2 beers while I was doing it. But I really enjoyed the actual editing of this property. What a beautiful property it is. I hope the new owner...
The bedroom, the upstairs bedroom in this place was to die for.
Where is that? That bathroom.
Not seen it. Yeah, and the bathroom.
The bathroom with the circular space all the way down from the 3rd floor to the ground floor. We're going to cut the audio on this as well. It's another copyrighted track. But what a beautiful home, and I hope the new owners of this one are enjoying it. What a view this place had, eh? Talk about that.
360 views, wasn't it?
It really was. It's a good bit of drone at the end as well.
The mountain, the sunsets from this house, man.
Yeah, this really was $1 million property that sold for half that.
Oh, we never got the bedroom on it. It's worth a look anyway if you go back.
We're going
into
to
the
post
video.
all the links anyway beneath to each of our selections. Your
Best
third,
bedroom on the north coast.
It was really beautiful. Your third was this one.
Another beautiful
In
home.
Haciendas El Choco.
6-bedroom mansion.
If the quality's a bit low on the internet, it's because we're in the garden. But this was a beautiful home. This is a really well-designed place. I loved all those columns. Absolutely fantastic.
I kept getting in the way of the camera. you see me like hiding behind poles and
has
things.
6 bedrooms, one of which is on the ground floor.
Estamos trabajando. No, estamos trabajando. Anyway, this is a
The
beautiful
classic in this one is your clothes.
home. My clothes.
Clothes at the end.
Let's see. What did I say?
You just
Let's have a
give
look. You're
real smug look on your face.
You're gonna embarrass
Watch.
me. Is listed for $1.65 million, and in our opinion, it's really worth every penny.
Could be
For more
true.
information, contact us through our website at drpropertyguys.com. Oh, .com. No wonder they call me bloody Simon Cowell. I see it now. What's that all about? But I was
Beautiful.
youthful back then. When was that? 2021, wasn't
We
it?
were
That's
both
3 years ago.
Look at that pool.
Beautiful home. Congratulations to the new owner of that one as well. We didn't sell this either.
Yeah.
Beautiful home. Anyway, on to my third and final favourite video of the 300.
Ooh.
You guessed it.
Looks familiar.
Part 7 of We Built a Home in the Dominican Republic. And the reason I put this in the top 3 is because, and we've said it on that video, the clients, Roger and Anina, that become very good friends with us, when we stood on that lot, we all had this vision of what the house was going to be like. It's as if the brains were all interconnected via Skylink or Cyberlink or Brain Cyberlink. And literally, a year later, their dream came true. What would you do? I love how I did a little suspense thing there, you know. Would they do it again or not if they had the choice? And then there it is. Bang.
Hello and welcome to the north coast of the Dominican Republic. Phil here from DR Property Guys.
Yeah, look
now,
at it.
If you've been following our
Nice
series-
house, eh?
So we're actually going to do a 1-year follow-up with them. It's programmed for next week or the week after.
Yeah, he's turned into quite the garden. Old Roger's got green fingers now. Very green fingers.
How do I press stop on this thing? All right, record from PC screen. Where's it gone? And we'll press stop. So those were our 3 favourite. There's got to be some honourable mentions though. Couldn't fit everything in, and I'd say most of the properties we've videoed have been nice. There have been a few that we actually didn't even bother doing when we got there. But honourable mention to the place in Perla Marina, the 2-bedroom that we sold to the couple. Reason I give that honourable mention is because, you know, I was not feeling great that morning, but we managed to pull through that video quite nicely. You got any honourable mentions? I know we don't rehearse this.
No, you caught me on the hop with that.
What
Honourable
about the
mentions.
farm one?
Oh, the farm one. Yeah, we went to Lister Farm in where was which river?
Somewhere up Hamau.
Yeah, Hamau, just off the Hamau River, and and the guy that was selling the place, such a character. And we just went. We were going to go up there and film. We just ended up spending the day there, and we ended up in an old colmado and had a few beers and snacks, and it was just like going back in time 30 odd years. It was a really good day.
It was a great day. I ended up on a horse, then I ended up in the river, and that was
That was a special day.
lovely day.
We have a
lovely
lot
videos.
of fun, man. You know, we've had some good adventures, haven't we?
We have, and we're only just getting started. That's 300. Who knows? 3 years from now, we could be at 600, 700. You never know.
Why not?
We got another really good one coming up as well in the next couple of videos. So if you're watching, stay tuned.
Ooh,
There's a
yeah.
good one coming up.
Got a cracker.
That'll be really nice once it's ready. That's it. I guess 300 videos in. I want to give a quick shout out to some of our top followers, like Matt from Pennsylvania. Want to give a shout out to, of course, Sam Jordan over there in Dublin.
Lord Pritchard from
Lord
Sabinet.
Pritchard from Sabinet. Elizabeth and her husband in Canada that's always watching and commenting. We should probably do better than this. Oh, Big James.
Yeah.
Big Jimmy, shout out to you, sir.
There's a bunch of people that have been very supportive.
We should give a shout out to Danny from
Very
Malibu's, who's he helped us quite a lot on the way to gaining the number of subscribers. Kathleen, our neighbour over there. That's true. Stephanie, Tony. God, yeah, we're kind of forgetting a lot of names, but we want to thank all of our lovely viewers. And you got anything else to add, young man?
Come on Manchester United on Sunday, which is a big derby, isn't it?
But today is Friday and it's 4:05, so we all know what that means. Click up here to visit our website, click over here to subscribe to the channel, click down here for the last real estate video we did, or over here for a totally random DR Property Guys video that you may not have seen before. Thank you very much for watching.
Take care.
Bye. Bye-bye.